It's harvest season. May every seed you've sown on good soil yield its harvest. May the land you've tilled yield its harvest. May the business you own yield its harvest. May the ministry you've stewarded yield its harvest. May the gospel you spread yield a fruitful harvest. May the friendship you've cultivated yield its harvest. May the relationship your heart has yearned for yield its harvest. May the marriage you've prayed for yield its harvest. May the love you've longed for yield its harvest. May your marriage yield a new harvest. May the house you've made a home yield a harvest of memorable memories. May the path you've laid for the next generation yield its harvest. May the goal you aspire